Our Dometic three-way fridge has been struggling in the hot weather. Now that is not uncommon for three-way fridges. This is not a discussion about three-ways versus compressor fridges. I just want to run through the issues I had with our Dometic fridge. The fridge was more than just struggling, the fridge was not getting cold. The fridge is 15 years old, so I thought, is it worth fixing a 15-year-old fridge? So I investigated getting a replacement. It's an RM2553 Dometic. That model is no longer made. So then I investigated getting the replacement for our fridge. And the price initially put me off, which was somewhere around $3,000 plus installation. Then I discovered that the replacement fridge for our Dometic was different dimensions. So that would involve changing the cabinet works in the Caravan, more expense. At that stage I thought it's probably worth getting someone to look at the fridge. So that was my next step. The fridge was actually working on gas, and after speaking to some people, that suggested that it may just be the fridge's electrical element. I was able to buy an element for around $130. I had installed and the problem was solved. So in this case, it was worth fixing a 15-year-old fridge. Our Dometic three-way fridge is struggling in the heat. I thought I would try installing the 12-volt fan kit to the vent and see if that improves the situation at all. So the first step is to remove the vent, the top vent, and then we install the fans. I have removed the top vent of the Caravan and we're going to install the Klevacool twin fan kit to suit a Dometic fridge. So we turn the vent over. We have two fans and they just slot on, as simple as that, onto the vent, the inside of the vent. Then we zip tie the fans to the vent and proceed to hook up the power. So the fans have been attached to the vent has been replaced, the fans have been hooked up to power, the power has a fuse. The only thing I've done is I've put a switch in the line so I can turn the fans off and on as I please, but once the fans are on, they are thermostatically controlled. That is, they fire up at about 40 degrees and go off at 30 degrees. The idea is to get a draft from the bottom vent to get the air flowing, to get the hot air out, to assist the cooling of the fridge.